beautiful, but they're deadly. Welcome to Paula's Top 5 as I gave you 5 of the most haunted jewelries that have killed their owners or have driven them mad, as legend says. Are you ready? Let's go! Top 5. Top 5. The Lydian Hoard. Ang Lydian Hoard ay koleksyon ng mga alahas at alok at sa Ang Lydian Hoard ay koleksyon ng mga plato, pots, at iba pang mga golden pieces. But the brooch and necklace from the collection have given its owners nothing but trouble. They are part of King Croesus. They are part... Rinig kaya yan? Feeling ko mahina.
Rinig lakas mo.
Ha? Hindi ko na kaya lakas ganun.
I-enhance ko yan. Sige. Tuloy mo lang.
They are part of King Croesus' treasure. The loot dates back to 547 BC. But in 1965, nahukay ito sa village ng Gure at doon nagsimula ang mga sumpa. The treasure was found in a tomb of an unknown princess. And promptly looted by just about everyone. Over 150 relics were ransacked, including the brooch and necklace of the Lydian Hoard collection. Halos lahat ng mga looters either namatay, nagkasakit, or nagkaroon ng bad luck. Umuulan. Top 4. The Delhi Purple Sapphire. Top 4. The Delhi Purple Sapphire. Discovered 30 years ago by Peter Tanny, a curator of the National Museum in London. The gem was kept in their mineral cabinets, Palis, sealed up in several boxes, surrounded with protective charms, and came with the morning. Whoever shall open it, dalaga dun. Oh no, it's raining! Whoever shall open it. Itutuloy ko ba? Ha? Whoever shall open it shall read out this warning.
Lakas na.
And then do as he pleases with the jewel. My advice to him or her is to cast it into the sea. Hinihinala nila na ang parte ng bato ay hinihinala nila na ang bato ay parte ng mga ninakaw nakayamanan mo, ninako na kayamanan, ninako na kayamanan mula sa templo ng Indra. Mula sa templo ng Indra sa Kolhapur. Noong Bloody Mutiny ng 1957. Ilan sa mga nagway-ari nito ay ang Bengal Cavalryman, Colonel W. Ferris ng England, who eventually went bankrupt, and did his son after inheriting. Ano, kulit mo ba?
Okay, kung kaya mo, di ka mababasa ka na ng ulan.
Nakusin ko lang to.
Okay.
Binili naman ito ng writer na si Heron Allen. At umaniwala itong ibang dinala sa kanya kundi kamalasan. Gosh, it's raining! So he tried giving it away to his friends who would later return it. Including his one friend singer na simula nang mapa sa kanya ang bato ay nawalan na ng singing voice forever. Ang gem ay tinapon naman noon ni Edward sa Regent Canal. Pero misteryosong nakabalik after a dealer bought it from a local dredger. He then decided to lock it up. Years later, and would never allow his daughter to ever touch it again.
Yun na yun?
What? Cellphone, masisira.
Wait lang. Dali mga doon, mami. Kasi ako mag-ano.
Pasok ba yan?
Wala na kayo.
Sorry. Sa akin direct.
Walang pakisama naman yung
Pero natapos mo na.
nagbablog sa likod ko.
Si Benong.
Actually talaga itong mga boys na to eh.
Lumusot sa likod.
Kinuha ko nga yan na background para nakakatakot.
Tapos inilawan ni Ben.
Tapos nagbablog kayo
Dalawang
dyan.
pa may ilaw ni
Ay,
Ben.
ilaw pa kayo mulang yan.
Asan na si Jeff? Kasi tatapusin namin yung ano.
Hello.
Wala ko may extra eh. Wait lang ah. Saglit lang.
Ayun, nandito.
Let's use it. Let's play.
Tara.
May bataya kayo.
Ito, huwag na ako. Ay ba, tanga?
First clap.
Bawal na umalis sa pwesto.
Please, 9, 10. First clap.
Dalawa ah.
Sabaw tayo.
10. First clap.
Okay.
Ayun pa.
39.
Oh, mali, di ba? Ganda. Hindi, huwag ikot. Dito ka lang.
Sino na ano yung para sa inyo?
Pwesto.
Bilang. 1, 2, 3,